It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. It's yellow, it has a ducktail. It has probably some more mods. So tell us everything about it. What do we have here? i30 and fastback. Yeah. And what makes it stand out other than the color and the ducktail?
Well, it's actually not wrapped. It's painted for one.
Really? That's a massive thing to stand out. So I mean, that's impressive. Very cool.
Carbon at the front.
Oh yeah. Nice. Carbon bonnet, carbon fenders. Very, very cool. We have stock brake calipers, but the discs look not so stock.
EBC.
Yeah, EBC, nice.
With yellow stuff all around.
Nice, very good. Tires, we are on
Asymmetric sixes.
Yeah, good years. Very, very cool. Any power updates, upgrades?
Completely stock.
So 275?
275.
Yeah.
Just the air intake,
Mm-hmm.
turbo elbow, and just some handling mods.
Nice.
Nice and simple.
Nice, very cool. No, I love how the car looks. I definitely love how the i30 handles. Suspension is stock, I guess. Stock. So this should be good fun and definitely look very good on pictures. So hopefully you like the thumbnail. Anyway, let's go for a lap. Oh, hi there. Okay, so this is here. Where was the traction control button? Oh yeah, thank you. Because it's on sport and I would like to have it off of a... Yeah. Brake override disabled. circumstances of
rubber.
Yeah.
I had a lot more on a GP track the other day.
it's good. It's like, it's not off. It just does what it needs to do. So it's... Whoa! Hello! Ian.
Car very bad.
Car very bad. Car done. But that was a nice rotation. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, these cars are so capable. Like the chassis tuning of these has been done so properly. Like with a few minor mods, it makes it really good. And in your case, I mean, you have like all these gearbox mount and like torque mount and stuff, and it works.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It's more than enough for how I drive the car.
Yeah. But I love it as well. I wouldn't, like, the only thing I could ask for more, slightly wide-tier brakes or slightly grippier tires. But for the rest, it's like, you know, we're really happy.
amazing.
Thank you, glad you enjoyed.
It's nice to see the
Nice
car
Scirocco
go fast.
drive, big thumbs up to each other. Very, very cool. He has a massive roof scoop. I wonder what power he's running. No brakes! And it's not my car! What power you have? 250. Big scoop! That's good! Alright, see you, have fun!
Camaro.
Nice, yeah, it's matchy then.
Yeah.
275 with a bit more weight, 250. Very cool.
Some nice big Camaro disc calipers on that one.
Yeah, very cool. Alright, no, fantastic. I mean, good as always for a relatively stock car in terms of not too crazy upgrades, but exactly what you need. Just like a bit stiffer components, like all these mounts, and it's amazing. Like, you don't need more.
No. For the way I drive it, I don't need.
Yeah, I mean, I also don't need more. Like I said, the only I would want is like a bit better brakes and a bit better tires. But other than that, handling-wise, the car is great. So good, really, really good. So not only looks good, it drives good. So hope you had fun.
I did.
Yeah.
I did.